Hello everyone, my name is Meenakshi. I am working as a Odoo developer at Inom ERP. Today I am going to explain my module Inom Portal Attendant. First of all, you have to install five module Employees Attendance Website Portal Inom Portal Attendance module. Then go to search apps menu. Now click and search your module name. First employees. Now you can see employees module are already installed on my system. Then search second module name attendance. Now you can see attendance module is installed. Third website, you can see website module is installed. Then search portal. Here you can see custom portal module is already installed on my system. Then search last module, I know portal attendance. Here you can see website self-service attendance. I know portal attendance module are visible on my screen. The module is already installed on my system. Then refresh this page. Now you can see website employees attendance menus are visible on my screen. Now I am going to explain my module functionality step by step. Create an employee. Click on employees. Now you can see here it is various type of employees are visible. Now my employee is already creating on my system. My employee name is Derry. Now clicking on Derry. Now you can see Derry, email derry1 at the rate gmail.com. Now go to settings tab. Now you can see user. Now go to settings. Now click user and company. Then click users. Now I am creating new user. You can see here four users are visible on my screen. Harry, Joel Willis, Mark Demo, Mitchell Admin. Now I am my username is Mitchell Admin, but on clicking on new you can create new user. But my user portal user are already create on my system, Harry. On clicking on Harry you can see Harry portal Harry 1 at the rate gmail.com. Now I am logging as a portal user. You can also change password of portal user. Now I am logging as a portal user. Write email, password. Now you can see Harry portal user on my screen, and attendance menu are visible on my screen. Then click on attendance. You can see here it is various type of check-in, check-out, worked hours, extra hours fields are visible. Dairy, checked out, check-in, and sort by check-ins, group by none. You can now in this screen information display check-in, check-out, work start, extra hours, attendance status. Employee can view only their own attendance records. Then click on attendance. Now click on check-in. The system record the current date and time. A new attendance record is created. Now I am logging as a admin. Refresh this page. Go to attendance, click on June. Now you can see dairy. Click on dairy. You can see two attendance are visible: June 24 11:35 a.m. and June 24 5:12 p.m. Now click on June 24 5:12 p.m. Now you can see employee diary check in June 24 5:12 p.m. Work hours 0, extra hours 0. Check in mode manual. Now I am logging as a portal user. Refresh this page. Click on attendance. Then click on checkout. The employee should not be able to check in again. Instead, checkout button should appear. Only one open attendance record is allowed. The system record the current time as checkout. The attendance record is completed. Now I am logging as admin user. Sign is. Refresh this page. Click on attendance. Click on June. Click on dairy. Now you can see dairy. Check-in time June 24 5:12 p.m. Checkout time June 24 5:14 p.m. Work hours 0001. Work extra hours 0, extra hours 0. Open the completed attendance record. Work hours are calculated automatically. June 24 5:12 p.m. June 24 5:14 p.m. Work hours 0001. Extra hour calculation: company working hours 8 hours, employee work 10 hours, expected result work hours 10, extra hours. Now clicking I am logging as a portal user. Login. Click attendance. Select from date 24 to 24. Apply. Now you can see here two attendance are visible on my screen: 24 June 5:12 p.m. 11:35 a.m. Checkout time, checkout time, work hours, extra hours. On clicking on view, you can see employee attendance, employee diary, check-in 24 June 5:12 p.m. Checkout 24 June 5:14 p.m. Work hours, extra hours. Now you can click sort by work hours, then click group by week. You can select any week, month. Allows employee to organize attendance record. Then if many records exist, they are displayed across multiple pages. Now I am logging as a admin. Refresh this page. Click on attendance. Click on dairy. Now you can see here it is two attendance are visible on my screen. Only employee attendance record should be visible. Employee attendance must not be accessible. Basically, the website portal attendance module extend Odoo HR attendance system by allowing employees to manage their attendance directly from the portal front end instead of accessing the Odoo backend. Normally, only HR user or managers can access the attendance module in the backend. This module provides a secure self-service portal where employees can check in, check out, view their attendance history, view work hours, view extra hours, filter attendance record. The module uses Odoo existing HR attendance model. It does not create a separate attendance system. Every employee require backend permission, which is not secure. With this module, employees can manage their own attendance. HR workload is reduced. Backend access is not required for employees. Employee data remain secure. Benefits of this module: self-service attendance management, no backend access required, secure employee specific access, real-time attendance recording, automatic work hours calculation, automatic extra hours calculation, easy attendance tracking, mobile friendly portal access, reduces HR administrator work. Before testing this module, ensure the following modules are installed. Basically, employees attendance website portal attendance module. Now this is the full functionality of my module. Thank you.